Hello dear viewers, how do you do? Hope you are fine. Today's topic is capitalization and punctuation of English second paper for the classes primary level and 6 to 10. I will discuss it in 3 steps. Step number 1, capitalization. Step number 2, punctuation. And step number 3, example. Now let's go to the example. Example, general or narration passage. You will find in your question paper general passage or narration passage. So at first we have to understand sentence structure. We know that sentence is of 5 kinds: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. And these 5 kind of sentences are of 2 kinds: affirmative sentence and negative sentence. And we also know that after assertive sentence, optative sentence, imperative sentence, affirmative sentence and negative sentence, we will have to give full stop. And after interrogative sentence, we will have to interrogative sign or question mark. And after exclamatory sentence, we will have to give exclamatory sign or exclamation mark. So we can start. Here is written a question and answer. To save time, I have written it. It is question. How is your father? Bilkis said. Mr. Rahman, he is very well, thank you. Bilkis replied, I am glad to hear that he is in good health, said Mr. Rahman. I have given underline in question passage here to understand easily. Here answer. How is your father? Bilkis said Mr. Rahman. At first, I will help you to understand easily by 2 points. The point number 1, punctuation, and then capitalization. At first, punctuation. Here, start and finish. To understand it easily, you have to understand at first direct narration structure. So I have also written it earlier. Direct narration structure. Look at it. Reporting subject, reporting verb, reporting object, comma. We have to give comma here. And after that, there will be a sentence or more than a sentence, which is the main sentence of the speaker, reporting subject, and there will be reported speech, and there will be inverted comma, and this structure will also be written in another position: reported speech, comma, reporting subject, reporting verb, reporting object. So look at it. How is your father? Bilkis said Mr. Rahman. Here finished a sentiment or a sentence, and to understand easily is divided in 3. Here he is well, thank you, Bilkis replied. Here are 3 parts. Okay. From here to there, 1 sentiment. So we have to give here full stop, and from here to there, it is the main speech of the speaker. So we have to give here inverted comma. And here Here we have to give comma because it is main sentence and it is addressing of proper noun. And here H capital letter because the first letter of sentence. And here B capital letter because it is an addressing of proper noun. And Mr. we know that it is title. So M will be capital letter. And Rahman proper noun. So we have to give here our capital letter. Part number 2. He is very well. Thank you. Bilkis replied. I call it second sentiment. So here you have to give a full stop. And from here to there Bilkis replied. So it is main sentence of the speaker. So here you will give inverted comma, started, inverted comma, finished. And here are two sentences. He is very well. It is an assertive sentence. So we know that here we will give full stop. Thank you. It is also an assertive sentence. So here is comma. According to this structure, Bilkis proper noun. So B will be capital letter. Third part. I am glad to hear that he is in good health, said Mr. Rahman. It is third sentiment. From I to health. It is the main sentiment in a speech of the speaker. So we have to give here inverted comma start, inverted comma finish. And I of pronoun and the first letter of sentence, I will be capital letter. Here M title. So Mr. M of Mr. will be in capital letter. Rahman proper noun. So R will be capital letter. Well, dear viewers, if you are benefited with my videos, please like, comment, share. Okay, thank you.